Hello everyone! Today's video is a vlog. It's exciting. I had the opportunity to go to an Apple event in New York City. Well, I live in New York City, but they did a keynote this afternoon in Brooklyn, and then I was invited to the event after in Manhattan. Today's October 30th, and I'm on my way to the Apple showcase. Apple has an event and they invited me out. What the heck? So exciting. So, oh, somebody just called me vlogging. So earlier this afternoon, there was an Apple keynote on the release of their new MacBook, new iPad. I saw like a new laptop. So we're gonna go and see what's up. The event was all about their new MacBook Air. So exciting! I wanted to take y'all along because it's gonna be so fun. I'm really thankful to have this opportunity. So sick. So yeah, we're gonna go. I hope it's gonna be fun. One of my friends is going, Janine, so that'll be cool to see her. I don't know what else to say to you guys, but I'm just so excited. It's too crazy. Google Pixel, now Apple. Y'all, I need to chill. Y'all don't know, I use a MacBook from 2015, I think, and it's like the 13-inch little guy, and I love it. But when I was going in 2016 to get my computer, I asked about the MacBook Air, and they told me it doesn't have the Retina display, and it was like an older version. So they haven't updated the MacBook Air since the last one, and I think, I could be wrong, I think that was like in 2014 or so. So this is an all new design, the Retina display, and it was so cool to be able to go and see all the features. Everyone at the event was so helpful, like literally so helpful. I was in heaven on earth. So I learned all about the new computer. I learned about the photo editing within the Photos app on the computer, which I won't really be using for my client work, but I just think it's a cool option for anyone starting out in photography with just their mobile phone. I love iPhones for photography, and I've said this in so many videos. You honestly can create so much with just this phone. You don't even need a DSLR to still create. So if you're either like on a budget or you are saving for a DSLR, don't be discouraged about your gear. And it was cool to see that the photo editing program within the computer, not even Lightroom, not like Aperture or anything, but had all these different settings, from tone curves to adjusting the depth of field. On the new iPhones, you can adjust the depth of field. I just think it's cool because it makes photography just that much more accessible to anyone. I say this all the time at Build and Bloom workshops, which if you guys aren't a part of Build and Bloom, it's my free photography community, both online and in person. We're a Facebook group, one of the top ones, with over 50,000 highly engaged active members, photographers, where you can share your work, receive insight, opinions. You can ask questions regarding either your art or how to deal with client situations in photography. We just finished 7 workshops all around the world. They're all free too. So we did free photography workshops in Seattle, Los Angeles, New York City, Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, Paris, and London, France. We did some stuff over there this summer, and it's a good time. And we're doing 2 more big events in 2019 for Build and Bloom. But I always say, like, photography is so wonderful because it mixes art therapy with actual job skills. Apple is just making it that much more accessible to anyone, which I'm really passionate about, because with photography and these skills, customer service, you can seriously change your legacy. If you are in a bad living situation, you could build up your own business, photography, and get yourself out of that living situation into your own place, pay your way through a lot of college. It can help you. I just think photography is so wonderful. I'm really passionate about teaching photography, and I love that Apple, I thought that was cool. Okay, so we got early access to MacBook Airs themselves, so I want to share with you my MacBook Air. Literally so amazing. Ooh, have a lot of glass on my table. Literally, this is so amazing, and I hope I'm not downplaying how cool this whole situation is that I got the opportunity to go to an Apple event. That is just so wild, and I'm so grateful. Hello everyone, it is me editing at 10:30, trying to get this up ASAP right now, but I wanted to say, because I was rewatching the footage and it needs to be said, my wonderful angel, queen of New York City friend, Sarah Dici, was the one who connected me with Apple in the first place. She's so generous and so kind and literally like the queen of all, and I just had to say, like, if you're not following her, which I know y'all are like, we already do, like she's literally my president, but go follow her, Instagram, YouTube. If you like my YouTube videos, hers are like actually so good, like good editing, makes more sense, does very helpful tutorials, like very technical, so amazing, my queen. So I just had to give a shout out. Thank you, Sarah, to even like, oh, just like everything is just so amazing and I can't believe it. So thank you to even connecting me with Apple so that I could have this opportunity. Go follow her. She's my queen. Okay, I love you. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, it's so little. Okay, so I am very, very grateful for, oh, and a leather sleeve. This is my current computer. It's so cute. Oh wait, there we go. As you can see, so when I got to play around with the Air, it's 2 pounds and it's so little and it's so sleek and it's just the most wonderful thing. And so I'm just excited to kind of dive into this and see what's in here. Though I still will always be so grateful for this computer. It's just like so amazing. So let's get started. I'm gonna zoom you out. Let's open it up. Here she is, very cute. And it's in rose gold. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, wait, hold on. Look at how cute, oh my gosh. Look at how cute. This is so amazing. I literally cannot believe my eyes right now. I truly cannot believe it. And it's so petite and so lightweight and so beautiful, wow. And then, oh yeah, there's the new USB. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Look at how little this guy is. This is just like so, oh my gosh, so petite. Oh my goodness, so cutie and little. Oh, and that's it, wow, wow. Here it is, wow. I am just like, what is happening? I'm gonna cry. Okay. Amazing. Wow. This is just so incredible. Oh my gosh. What the F? Like, what the freaking heck? What the heck? Also, wait, this is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna compare my two. And before this computer, I love it so much. I had a 2012, I think it was a 17-inch MacBook and it weighed 7 pounds. So for me, this is like an upgrade, like hella, I'm like, yes. But this guy is 2 pounds. That's crazy light. I don't want to seem like first world problems and stuff, but my back is gonna hurt so much less with this in my backpack because I carry my computer everywhere I go. So, oh my. Wonderful. Okay, what's cool with this trackpad is it still has that little like bounce that you feel, but it's all electronic. It's not actually like, you don't actually need to press it. The keyboard is a butterfly keyboard. You know what? I'm setting up this and I'm just so excited. iCloud is getting set up. We're transferring it. You guys, this is just honestly the most like amazing thing. Like I said, I hope I don't seem like I am just so chill, but like I'm in awe. I'm so excited to just use this computer, see what's up, see if it improves my workflow. I'm gonna be editing from this. Wait, Yes! Oh yeah, and look it, I think I showed this to you in the other clip. You can use your finger to log in and do Apple Pay. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the rest of my computer and I am just so excited to be using this, and I'm gonna let you guys know obviously how I like it. But just thank you again. I love y'all. This was just like a quick informal, honestly unplanned video, but I just wanted to share my experience with y'all. So make sure to subscribe to get updates. I mostly do photography tutorials and social media strategies for your small creative business. My Instagram is where I share so many tips and tricks for growing your business and free resources where I'm able to connect with you more on a day-to-day, answer your DMs. I'm pretty good about answering DMs. So go find me on Instagram if you want even more free resources and content. Be sure to join Build and Bloom and check us out if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much to Apple for inviting me out tonight. It's a dream come true. So amazing. So I love y'all and I'll see you later. Bye.